right, so hello art friends. We're gonna be drawing a skateboard today. So I'm gonna start with my pencil. I know, you're like, but Mrs. Mertz, you always just draw it in marker. Well, I gotta get some angles set up. So I'm just gonna be drawing some diagonal lines so I know where my angles are. There we go. Okay, I got it now. All right, so I've drawn these diagonal lines all kind of coming at the same kind of angle because I'm drawing a skateboard. All right, so to start with, from this first angle right here, I'm gonna be coming around and then diagonal coming the other way. And then I'm gonna so I'm gonna come back and then come back up just a little bit right there. All right, then I'm gonna come around and back down. And then I'm gonna come over here and come around and line those two up. I think I'm gonna make this just a little more. There we go, I like that better. All right, then I'm gonna draw the inside part of it. So that's just gonna repeat and then come around. There we go. And then I'm gonna come around here and draw the thickness of the board. Just like that. Lovely. Then right here, I'm gonna draw a line coming out. And then right here, I'm gonna draw a line coming out. And then this line's gonna dip down and come around. And then I'm gonna put another line right here to draw the inside. And there's the inside part of that. I'm gonna draw a little line in here. Draw some shading inside the wheel and outside the wheel. And then I think that's all I'm doing for that one. Okay, then for this one, coming out, I'm gonna draw a line coming around, over, back in. And here's the line for this one. And it repeats this one. I've got a little thing here for the inside part, little shading in here. Yep. Okay, then here we got a little bit of the thing there, and then that's about all we see. Okay, because of the way we put the wheels on, so we don't see the other two wheels. All right, then I'm gonna just draw some shadows here, and you can design your skateboard however you want. All right, then I'll just kind of erase these lines and color it, and there is my skateboard. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. There, I like that better. Subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.